Hello everybody, Peter with Dent Free Image. Just want to take a second here to let our customers and friends know, followers, that we are open for business. Automotive services are considered essential. And during this quarantine time, just want to let you know that even though we do work from a shop as well as from the road, if you're at home, definitely we understand that you cannot, you don't want to leave, don't need to leave your home unless it's something essential. We are here providing our mobile services at your home for those that are at work and are essential, and the possibility of us going to their job uh, are there. We can also come to your job, but we're here, we're running our operation, we're safe, we're protecting ourselves and the health of our customers. Just want to let you know that, and stay safe, take care, and keep your heads up. Thank you.